Did you ever prank ko rin?
On the spot po yun.
Talaga?
On the spot talaga.
It's not on the spot if he thinks about it all the time.
Ay?
Kuya Makoy.
Pinanaginip niya.
Na-imagine na dati pa.
Natural ka na, na-acting na.
Kaya po, smile siya ng smile kasi hindi niya mapigilan.
Kaya tinatanong how many times, you smile, sabi ni Direk. Sabi ko, 1,000.
1,000.
Kasi talaga, sabi ko, smile siya lagi.
Hindi mapigilan. Natago na niya.
Questions mo, Direk?
Wala?
Wala na.
So guys, it was a good day. Don't you think?
Okay.
Yes, Direk Rory.
Okay, so pa, wala na.
Direk, okay na po.
So see you guys tomorrow. Sleep well. Palakpakan natin. Sleep well and really, let's work hard tomorrow so that when the actual comes, solid na solid tayo, okay? So thank you, Anoma. I have to say it again, I'm so impressed with you guys. Sobrang gagaling ninyo. Congratulations. And sleep well. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Smile. Bye. Thank you po. Bye. Do well. Okay, Tanner. Bye-bye.
Bye, Tanner.
Bye-bye. Okay. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Assignment.
Mangiti. Yung silip.
Oh my God! Enjoying it.